Hypnosis. Hypnosis is a consent state, meaning that you have to agree to follow instructions. Simple. So let me give you a small experience of what hypnosis is like, without actually hypnotizing you. So just make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just become aware of how your feet feel. Now just become aware of how your hands feel. Okay, now open your eyes. So that's just exactly what I want you to do and what hypnosis is like. Following instructions, making yourself comfortable, closing your eyes, and perhaps you noticed when I asked you how do your hands feel and how your feet feel, that your attention was brought to them. So in some way your subconscious mind is already reacting to my suggestions because they're good suggestions. You're just following a suggestion to find out how your hands or your feet feel. Now, just test this out for a moment, because people have this misconception that you will be made to do anything in hypnosis. So again, just make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Okay. So now what I want you to do is stand on your head. Now, you may have opened your eyes, and if you haven't, just open your eyes, because I'm sure what you said to yourself is, I'm not standing on my head. So, as you can see, this is the way hypnosis will work. That you will agree to do some things which are of benefit for you, and you will not do things which are not of benefit to you. The other misconception about hypnosis is that you may not awaken from it. You go to sleep every night and nobody tells you to wake up in the morning, and you never question that. And that's just the way hypnosis is. The hypnosis brings you to a restful state, and your subconscious mind would still arouse you if you needed to be aroused for any reason, if you needed to put attention on something that needed to be dealt with. So that's all hypnosis is.